Kudlay Pibaro Shakatuk Khubor Jungi ke MBCTv. Kimat makong san menta ke singi kilong. Dakinuk sa pen iperthai ki kena grassroots hamau kerwat. Daka community library yo ke Shillong nartap. Persyak kiseng bahalang rilum garu ya ke result LDA Southwest Garu Hills. Bat penkop buram ke New Nongstein Sport Social and Cultural Club ke Samla Puli ke New Nongstein. Bat mentangin pau syaki Khubor bakam benya. Kinong terai ke Office District Sport Southwest Khasi Hills bat ke District Sports Association ki kena ke Grassroots Center kila pelong ya ke jimpen kot ya ke Shillong gathau hamau kerwat da ke besar tamlut pelong ya ke plastik kinyut kinyet kum ke jimpen nok mati haki kamban pelong ya ke ri India ke bakut basuba. Kini ke jingle jong kini ki kena bat kirang ba kini ke sengi kalong ke jingi shimbenta ha kamaret thong Fit India Freedom Run 4.0 Swatch Bharat. Ya kini ke jingpen coach nong lami pat ba ha ka apu pratarik Risaw ki belasar ya ki surok kelinti ya kejat naduk madan NDSA nong lang syadu yau mau kerwat. Working President ke MDSA mau kerwat ba YG Lingdro uloong ba ke jingpen long ya kini ki program kalong kum ke nuksa ban pen i bat ban pen bena perthai ya ke jing koridor ke jing coach jing subah. Uloong bat kentui ki beriu kani kenong ba district bakin nyau kore ke jingkot bat penlong ye ke jingkot jing suba kum kawai ni ki kamram bamla kiar ha ki imlang salang kamairang ki saudong saukun ki bakot ki wanra ke jingmat jing berkat ki bakot ke jingkot ki benek ran ya unu beriu bebret pathar ki jabok jaban halinti singkin uloong
jibat arah bitar tuk tak coba arahnya berhenti dia gila
Ya kencang loh, Dek.
Oh, derene ya.
Oke, kok LP. Aku bawa tadi yang cung.
Boret jungi, kihap boret jungi. Ki peni ya kenuksa baba, da ka ba kimi na ka sentar ngies lang nang ti na po MDSA playground. Ha ka ba lengba ka jingyat enti lenti kilatam ya kinyut ya ki plastik ya ki bilor haka ba ngilawan puai hadu hangni haka caka bangin sabret agani ka collection center jong ka sankur ka ba long kum ka caka lum nyut angni ya ka bangin yo bondom siaga topik sai di kani kalong kum si benta ya ka bangin penpau syaki perdong perthan jungi hakaba lengba ka nuksa ka bakini kihap ki boret kila trestom ya kajing listing jong kiwe kini kinong ele kai kini ki ba practice haki sports discipline jongi henry namar ba kajing berat pathar namar kajing don jong kinong berat pathar ya kinyut kim ban se ban mi kumsi benta ban peni sa kaperthai bangi don kajingkit kli na ka benta ban nom berat pathar lani ban lesi lani ban penjabo no ya kami meriang jungi anrengi de ban tengkai ban sumar khoj khnang ba nginyo ya ka ler ka khoj nginyo ya ka jingko jikya bolong kasba ba ha ka jingim jungi kibril de ai kubre shibun e nang ta kini ki khabar jungi ya kaba lengba jongki ni kermen ki wero kinyu inuksa lengba ka jingkun priang jongki lengba kilat patai Khubor ya kini program akaba kan longkum ka jingkel sultia bat banginla ban yai penne pensa ya ka jingko jing suba ya ka dong ka thanjungi bat ya ka district jungi hi brokoi tangda kini sesin pat na di nongelam ya kini kajing kenduk lang kebelengkot jungi ya kini custom kebelengkot ngan kali junga ngaso penumpau kajing ai kublei ya ka office jong district sports officers jong ka Southwest Khasi district jungi di sadi sungkon wat la MCM la ya kebelengkot batni ya kini program tenrei di lembah kajing don dikit kle ya kabangin penong ya kaba kini program hakaba nagalian jungi hakani kastet rengkat kini ki kena naka grassroots center bat naka kilo India center jong ka district jungi gilayo ban organize ya kani ka program dengan ai kublei do naka benta ki staff jong jong ka office jong DSO ba Pening Star jong koi wing lagi coach jong iya po jong ka district tong Baludmon ki coach jong ki senta jong i kilo India senta bat jong krasut senta ki berang bat ni por bat kham tam ngimla ban klem do pen pau ki jing sungu bat ai kublei kerpang NAKA benta kini ki hap ki baran ki ba long kalawai ke pernai jong kadong ka than jongi karibat ke jaj beryo tengi sokmen sibune hakani custom ya ka bang ni yo ban penlong ya kini ka Peit India Freedom Run dari jong ka Swaj Barat ya ka ba ka Sarkar India lengba ka Ministry jong ka Youth Affairs kala penlong ya kani kesmi ya ka ba ngin rakhe kum kawai na kismi ban le khoi da ka bang inom perenkam ya ki jebo jeban ha ka ba bret pathar rei ngin lum ngin lang ki caka ki badai bandum
Kinong yalam ka shnong nartap ha kasngi arpu pratrik Risaw kila plepat ba ya ka jaka ken showkot community library kenang bagi samla kin yok ban pelut por ban wat jing start ne ki kot ki bala ken show ha ka te ka jaka ya kini ke jaka ken showkot la ni ka library la ple de roman ning thau jam na ka gonch foundation ku mukongsan ha ka jinga don lang uba si shabong gram sabak mausentai circle ku sembut kongsan ka ring bila pungding na MOSONIE Socio-Economic Foundation Upurvesh Yadav na Piramal Foundation uba Sylvester Makri rang ba shnong nartap ba Albes Sinkli ba Stefort Dakar ba Yohanes Kurba kidkot jenggador bar shnong kilong kemi longkpa lembat kisam lashnong ya kini ke jaka ken showkon lepin bit penbiang da keshnong nartap da ke jingirap ling ba kilai teli ki kenhun tremon ngobha kata ke MOSONIE Socio-Economic Foundation ka Pyramid Foundation bat ka CONJ kipat bat na kini keshnong kila IT met bat mensim ban lum ban lang ye ki kot kisla na laki ying kisem ban pendap kini ke jaka Hakani kesngi play na kaliang kinong tray jong kita kilai teli ki kenhon kila sam sngo bha ki kena skol de kitiar bakin yok ban penon kam hakajing puli jong ki ka baman la kesngi
Bigi badal lang huni hakani da program kebakar pan keba kani da sunang nartam kala pulang ya kajing play ya kani ka library kani kesngi Long isya kasih kebah serutnat kebah kerpang bat keban sa jeng kenal haki istri jeng kasnong nartat irang mak senong jeng fi kunjur ki nangkitkan senong hangni ilang isya ki beriang ki pestang memarba kiladang kung kini ka idea long bakin play kini ka library ha kini ka senong hading isya ngagong nong tray sarkar nga tray kuni gram sabang ngayat keling senong siya gibi senong te ngampat julap mo ba gibi senong kindan ya kini ka library te kini kasin kemenikong keba lekse ba hak jiim hak service sunga ngalap ba kandan ka library ha kini kasenong te kini kalong siya it is a wonderful and innovative idea no by the leaders from this village kajingdan jangani ka library kanirap sibur nyapi kinong songsunong khantam nyapi ki kena pune ki kena school bathaptam yaki longyeng ki patut let's say har jingduk jengki kinung la banyo banthit ki kot kisla ki baram ne ki babhama de limba ka jingdan jengni ka library kanyarap sisa yapi bankin tiu ya ka jing pune jengki te ngatrai ngi ki brio iki bahama Benginyo adamat kebokot bakya Ngihapan bam, ngijimbam Kebatay adamat kapahad jungi Kumjur Kabor perkhat jungi Kabor jebing Karenkam Kumno banyo agata kabor perkhat Let's say kebanang kebastan kebetulan mo ihapan puli ikot kislah kita nyarap jangi penkentil kejinang jeng start jangi banding ba kami ke library ke badan hari ni Shillong kami nyarap sisa IP penkentil IP ya kan jenang jeng start
library here with the collaboration of Gunj, Mozoni and Kango Foundation. Our heartful gratitude for them for giving us the books to distribute in this village, and also the Mozoni Foundation for equipping this library with desktop computer. Thank you to all. And this event marks a significant stride in our collective mission to enhance education and widen access to knowledge in Risaw district. Thank you so much for here to make your presence in this library inauguration, and I will request my co-fellow Purvesh Yadav to share something.
The development in a very fast pace, how collaboration can actually result in a very good manner, especially in rural areas. So first of all, respected chief, that there will be a short speech from Piramal Foundation and I cannot speak more, but I will more focus on why this library is important for you all and how this library will become a sustainable resource of information for this village, Narta. Okay, so I will first start with the fact that National Education Policy, it is a policy which is made by the Government of India. National Education Policy 2020 highlighted that the schools who has the libraries in them have a better result in comparison to the schools which do not have the library. So since we the village of Nartab has now library, we expect that definitely our village will grow in terms of education. But now I am talking about only school. It means I am talking about children, and here we have set up the community library. Now why community library? Because then we hear about some programs, governmental programs like New India Literacy Program. So New India Literacy Program focuses on adult education also. So when government is also focusing on adult education, everybody is also focused on school children education, and this is how we have come up to set up a community library which will be able to give education, which will be able to provide knowledge to all the members of this village. And then yes, we were discussing about that, we were discussing about when we were sitting in that room, that Meghalaya's people or the Khasi people are a bit reluctant in going out of their comfort zones. So the reason might be unwillingness, but the another reason can be that the shortage of knowledge and information. If you have to go out and explore the world, if I have to go out from my village and explore the world, I will need knowledge about the world. I will need information. I should have information what type of world is actually existing out of my village. And do you see that library? That library is the source of that information. The library is the source of that knowledge. That community library is actually a mini world you have set up in your village. You can roam around anywhere in your world if you are sitting in the library and reading a book. So another thing, it comes the usage of library. Now we have set up the library. There is a lot of enthusiasm here. There is a lot of enthusiasm here on this munch, and there when the people were dancing, some girls were dancing, lot of energy, lot of enthusiasm. This enthusiasm, zeal, energy should not end on this day, because this day is the inauguration of such a great initiative. But today is the day we also start a new what should I say, a new journey towards a better education for Narta. So that same energy should also reflect in participation in usage of the library also. So how we will make it sustainable and how we will use the library? Now there are certain ideas, and the ideas are also being followed throughout the world wherever the libraries are there. So we can set up a monitoring method, a monitor or a a key
Laitali kiseng bahalang na rilom garo, iba kentup ya ke GSU, aham, bat NGCO, kila persyaajur ya ke jengmi ke result examin kam, haka kerdan Lower Division Assistant LDA, bala pelong bat penyat ya ke District Selection Committee, jong South West Garo Hills District, kabala pen benapak ba haka katnyo terik Risaw. Kinong yalam kini kiseng kila berngem ban ai da kemukot dumai ke DSC, namarlah kenok babon na kita kishpongut, kida kibriu ki banabar. Umega that marak nongilam ke GSU ubana kini ke district uladawa namari kini kikam de bantep batung de kisamla acik prapau persen namar dan nyautrep kibana kini ke jaka. Kini kiseng keladawa na Deputy Commissioner RP Marak mau de ban kentat ye kini ke result bat ban penlong de ke examen bat interview thamai.
Chongmatan dal sani bako singa dolgatham civil societies jeka GSU Western Zone South Ampati Aham South West Zone Ampati Aru NGCO South West Zone Ampati dolgatham singa chini Ampati Deputy Commissioner Chairman District Selection Committee ko brongin ba una singa dal letter ko naha adake uno letter ko ne chini no letter ro jana pani ara umjo je ia jani chisni tariko District Selection Committee ni kita gechkang LDA posrang ko District Selection Committee ni siopani ko niksuen ba changa rachak na kita manjaha maina ia gechkang LDA post na siokani gupnuni ko bangbati siokani na changa tangtang ba niksuen na main khushi umjaha maina ia LDA post na chini district ni mandirangan chumagata eligible ongba candidate rang muacham aro wagi chikun posuni jekon unreserved ni agan genchim ode meritorious preference kata ongana maina meritorious ni agan genchim ode ye preference kata genchim ode jekon mark secure kagapa ba thopar ang muksungin ni agan maina ununi garobong jamaina Hajong coach apa jebong jamaina ino je mix community roma jebong jamaina Bangalore rebong jamaina akanatinga andiba dalu chingi negrgani kita de meritorious preference kita umja maina gupun jat ko mai khai yanur napna mangen bar napna mangen gua ko sa khala kita chingi kani de nami mansan ka origeman gomeni ongeman jekon Yabulsi Chibri June Hazame Kubutam Office Memorandum Nikatan Yatensim Ode, Job Reservation Policy, Office Memorandum Nikatan Yatensim Ode, Uko Namimansan, Yuan Yamko Bailet Kasomaya Noms Pa Nyamko Namimansan Bailet Kaka Maina Unreserved Niagan Gensim Ode, Shong Yagan Duman Yano. Achikong jamaina jebong jamaina no namana anibede Bangalore ko remna pani ko disngade rak genji gala mana sini sandiani uga ungchong mjede andake yagi chikin posna shiokaniyo gemuk chigum ko sini sandianiyo bangbatan singa southwest ni mandirang ungjani singa nakta mana maina yano Dalu yet 14 June 2022 office memorandum on the while selecting candidates for vacancies, preference should be given to local candidates who are permanent residents of the district in which the vacancy occurs. Specifically, in the case of Garo Hills, the combined reservation of 80% is meant to be available to Garos in the absence of the Khasi Jaintia community. And then you know, Manigaman, ya norms ko na main jani singi nakrikanyo maina ya norms ko na main jani aselon dalo singi Iana Chadingani ban again what? Manachna, yes, me Chadingani Muxonera Umjo, Bevin, Chini Districo, Adita, Utram, but Sadamiran Duma, dalu yamangni poreni mainam gani mainam wamangni mi phakura sikine soma kangen simo de yan yamni gita district thangna gemen district thangni ko skangpa ni chingna gita angpa noma dalu yako jar kija maina do bununi ko bang bak te candidate rang ko select khani de chungmocha maina ya LDA post na mangde singa district ni manderang am chuma maina singi district ni manderang ba ite skia pora dungo barang aro eligible umba candidate rang numa cham ye LDA candidate nam LDA post na mangde jebo umbo cham gepen post rang na ungen sim umode jeka khamni kita grade 1 grade 2 grade 3 wanda ko dingthang ba departmentally uno porena kita nanga warang ko chinga gepen district ramani ko ba chinga accept ka ratsaka jekona kan ge chimode maina ya bulshini chikhung ogo sajangni ko gatham o chinga ya chingni district commissioner na deputy commissioner na chinga letter ko na ha jera ko de meritorious basis da bon ogo chinga ka beben ogura chinga departmentally dakchina sakana adiba je ye LDA ba chunchon pa ko from na de chingni manderangan eligible ogo candidate ram pa maina dingthang department ni kita de ba dingthang gadamo porai gu parang chingni district ni mandiram chumo ke dungjerin chimo ode based on merit basis men singa gapan district oni ko bachinga no ala ko nake yapangi muksomi aganiani rongjo chongmodan dal chingni DC ko dingthang mansa dal singa grong thai biko aganani rongjo ya sakchikun candidate rang ko siokaniyo chingni kusio gijani aro namna gijani rangde chinga pangan banga maina noba yanu khra gijal pa candidate rang ko siokani ba doma mana chingni sandir katani aro chinga sandinga aro bangbate chinga nambate chinga detail ko na haude chinga dingthang na kabaja kurang ko di angen jak manchi maina dalo chingni deputy commissioner ko ba chairman of district selection committee biko dingthang mansa chinga personally grongi una letter ko ani muksonera jo J candidate select
Ke New Nongstein Sport Social and Cultural Club haka aku prater ke Risaw kala pelong ye ke jingelang pen kok buram mi exam la puli ke Shillong New Nongstein ki bala pas ke examen haki kerdan beper ya kata ke jingelang sam khusnam la pelong haka market complex New Nongstein haka ba uba di marban yang ulawan ban nikmat haka jaka jengu MLA ke Nongstein ke mukongsan harangkat ke jingedon lang ki nongket kam ke youth congress usodar ke Shillong New Nongstein ki samla puli ki kimi ki pa bat ki long kmi long pa na kini ke Shillong ladran haduk khat sangut ki samla puli ki bapa si ki examen SSLC bat HSSLC sangut ki bala pendap ya ke graduation bat postgraduate kawe ke samla ke bala yo ya ke kerdan doctor of philosophy ki pulit bet nong khayi bat nong di drog anti narcotic task force haka arpenyo terik Risaw kila yo kem sangut ki nong khayi drog na kathan sherpi ka bahap ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka jalu para police outpost Nekini kinong khayi layok ban kini hadu Southway teli ki bilor ka drog heroin ka bakia saupun rio point sapu gram Southly ki mobile phone ka pla Jylla kawe ka tendong inject Southly ki bilor theli kawe ka pla plastik yong bat kawe ka kali marti ka badon new number ML not sandi kendai not san Yakini baro saungut la thep ha along kat kum ki kendon an beperking jong ka NDPS Act Kithay le kai football na East and West Khasi Hills kilami khmat ki pai ba haka arpu praterik Risaw Hamadan Mission Mairang ban pen iya laki sap ki phong haka jing tebet ban le kai football haka ni kesengi play ka second pan nong light women's knockout football tournament haka te kamadan la yakun ning kong ka kenhon ki thai yai persyang FC persya ikatei marangba FC Hakani ke jingele akai hapring ke kenhon thei yai persyang kila thep haduk khatwei kol kum ke jing ais ngobha mar ka wei ka kot haki khatwei ngut kinongile akai jong ka thei mai rang ba katba ki thei mai rang ba kim shim la la ban pen pai kelyang wat tang shikul ru kinong pet kai ye kini ke jingele akai football hapring kini ki ar kenhon kila yo ban rkhi yap ang yap ler haduk kila jan dekut ki thiet sok pet ki thei yai persyang kila kerthiau ye ki thei mai rang ba da khatwei la no Yakini ke lumpung ile kai ki samla kenthei la ai nam haka kerteng ka kla ka wat jong ka himanong klau ka pan nong lat ka bala pelim bon ngut ki nong shun haki shrip jong ka Lepenya yakini ke tournament dah keseng neutrep acik national movement.
Layo pergi biar sa Shillong namba ikutkan huni Shillong.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngila poi syaka bakut tak hadu pengindai syam yang kublai shipot.